What's up, Vetters? Patrick here with Vetted. So, down in Mexico, they just held a press conference for what's being dubbed as the Buga Sphere, a sphere that was recorded flying around in Colombia. I've covered it on the channel many times. I'll put links in the descriptions to those videos so you can see the full, sphere videos if you want. But this video is about a press conference that they had down in Mexico to go over some of the details about this particular sphere. So I've got some comments from Representative Eric Berles, who was down there. But the thing that most people are talking about is something Steven Greer said, who was down there at this press conference. Apparently, someone tried to steal the Buga Sphere. So I've got all the details. Let's jump into this. Please hit that like button, Vetters. That really helps out the videos. And of course, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos every week about the UFO phenomena, and I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. All right, so again, let's lay out the playground here. So they have a press conference down in Mexico to study this Buga Sphere. Many people speak there. I'll show a picture here. You can see Danny Sheehan was there. Steven Greer was there. Timothy Alberino, I think is his name. Representative Eric Berles. This was put on by Jaime Maussan, who also works on the Nazca mummies. And while they're doing the Buga Sphere, they actually had some of the Nazca mummy stuff there. Here's a picture of Eric Berles holding one of the hands with Dr. Steven Greer with, no gloves on, of course, just holding it raw, but, whatever. So very interesting. They, go over this thing. And again, I'll put a link in the description to the live stream if you want to go hear all the details about the Buga Sphere. They just talked about different things that are in it. But honestly, mainly, it just came down to they don't really know a lot and they need to do more studies. That's basically the gist of it. And they're going to do more studies, allegedly. But even Steven Greer is like reserving his opinion about the particular sphere.
My assessment of this is pending, but it's certainly real. It's using an energy field and what we probably would say is electrogravitic, which means a type of anti-gravity effect from the electromagnetic forces. And whether it is a purely extraterrestrial origin or a mix of an ancient human extraterrestrial development, there are 4 or 5 possibilities.
I mean, Greer's so funny. So he's like, I'm holding my assessment back on this, but it's real. I mean, he proceeds to go on and explain how it's real, which is so funny. So I don't know, whatever. But they left it at we need to do more research and we need to find out these things. But they're also saying it's real. I don't know. Again, go check it out. They do show a lot of different stuff. So if you're interested in that, you can go see all the different things they have found so far and all the different things they're going to do about this particular sphere. Now, don't worry. We're going to get to Steven Greer talking about, people trying to steal the Buga Sphere. But before we do that, here are Representative Eric Berles' comments about being at this press conference and the Buga Sphere itself. And I think you're going to find his comments interesting.
This is Congressman Eric Berles.
Not just the United States, but to the world. And this effort, we've been blocked in Congress. We've been blocked from receiving the briefings that we need. And so I think that it's long overdue. Look, it's not any government's right to protect any knowledge about extraterrestrial or, non-human intelligence if it exists. And so we have too many people reporting things. We have too many videos coming out to ignore it. I think I have a responsibility on oversight to investigate it and do my due diligence, and that's why I'm here. And so thank you for hosting this, and I'm looking forward to seeing further scientific discovery.
Any comment about the Buga Sphere?
It's a remarkable, it's very interesting. I'm looking forward to seeing what the studies come.
Thank you very much.
So it kind of just seemed like they wanted him there to add some sort of, seriousness to it, or that there was representative from American government there, right? I'm sure that's how it was promoted. But clearly, Representative Eric Berles doesn't really have an opinion on the sphere more than we all do, which is, okay, just I'll wait and see. It looks interesting, but, where's the evidence that it's more than just this metal sphere look like it's made by a couple of college kids? Like, you know what I mean? What we need more evidence, right? Something definitive that it is something extraordinary, right? And not something just ordinary. So, but everything Eric Berles said about government disclosure and transparency and government shouldn't hold that back. Yeah, that's all true, but that's all general stuff to say, right? He just makes one little comment about the sphere, which is the whole reason they had him there, and to show him part of the mummies too. So anyway, let's get to the big news you clicked on here, which is Steven Greer discussing in a video some comments about the event, but it's what he said in particular about people trying to steal the Buga Sphere that has people shaking their heads.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Steven Greer. I'm in Mexico City. As many of you know, we've been examining the Buga Sphere for the last 2 days with Congressman Berles and a group of scientists. We've just been notified by Jaime Mason that there was an attempt by fake policemen to enter the vault where this Buga Sphere is stored, and we have notified security and the apparatus I'm working with under law enforcement. And you should know that the other risk here is that we have taken specific samples from the Buga Sphere that will be tested in a state-of-the-art lab to prove whether or not the metal, as well as some of the other components, are of Earth or outer space origin. Those scientists' information have been provided to the top law enforcement and security apparatus that I'm working with. And so any sort of attempts to interfere with this examination will be known, and the people and perpetrators will be held to account for. So this is what I wanted people to know, and we're doing everything to set up security for this. Thank you.
All right, so that's interesting. I would say, regardless of how you feel about things, clearly people trying to steal it is not a good thing. There's just no more details really to go off of. How many, what exactly did they do? Like, how did they know they tried to attempt them? I mean, impersonating a police officer in Mexico is illegal, just like it's illegal here. So that's kind of interesting. They should clearly be arrested, right? And why were they trying to steal the Buga Sphere? Who sent them, right? I think there needs to be more to this story, because otherwise it's just kind of implying, see, people want it, secret, there's Black Hawk helicopters flying around, that sort of thing. Some more details about that would be nice, because this is honestly what everyone's talking about from this press conference. Nothing of the details of it, right? It's all about this, what Steven Greer said, that people, fake cops tried to steal this sphere. But again, no more details are given, and just Jaime Maussan saying that. But who's trying to steal it? Like the aliens or people that work for the secret UFO legacy program? And wouldn't they be better if they're working for some secret organization, that they wouldn't get caught as fake cops, right? And when they say break in, like, what do you mean break in? They just try to slide it? I mean, I don't know. That seems so... Something's not right about that story. Something's not clicking about that story to me. So I don't know. Something's just not sitting right. So anyway, I'll put links in the description. Go check it out for yourself and learn more about the Buga Sphere if you want. Again, links in the description to everything. The videos of the Buga Sphere flying around, which I've covered for months, or the link to the press conference if you want to go watch that and learn more about it, or a link to the video and hear Steven Greer talk about that again. I don't know. Whatever you want. So let me know what you think down in the comments. We'll see you on the next video, vetters. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.